class, and welcome to week 14 of our course in ECS 116. Specifically, we're going to be looking at module 7. So by now you've finished our first 6 modules. We only have 2 modules remaining before the end of the course, so that's pretty exciting. So I'm going to go ahead and go through the objectives and the first of 2 weeks in the module. So our objectives for module 7 is for you to be able to choose and develop age-appropriate diversity activities for young children, identify key aspects of appropriate diversity curriculum, identify key aspects of the social justice curriculum, and develop a plan to implement a social justice curriculum. So going back, just to kind of show you the module itself, you can see that we have week 14 activities followed by your required readings. I have a video for you on the best kindergarten you've ever seen. It's a little bit of a different model out of Japan. I think you'll find it really interesting. And then we have our discussion board for week 8 on anti-bias multicultural education. So we're going to go back in, and then I'm going to show you those particular areas. So you can see here. So for week 14, just to let you know that module 7 is open 4/23 to 5/7, and for week 14 activities, those need to be submitted by Sunday, April 30th. So we're going to be working in chapter 7 in your DECE book. That is working with diversity issues in diversity in early care and education, and also I have some articles to support the understanding of multicultural education and anti-bias curriculum. We've got that TED Talk that I mentioned about the best kindergarten you've ever seen, and I think you'll really enjoy it because it depicts the out-of-the-box thinking that takes into consideration culture and diversity to meet the best needs of the children as well as the families. So then you've got your week's whole class discussion board. So that is going to be on anti-bias multicultural education. You need to post by Thursday, April 27th at midnight, and then remember to log back in by Sunday the 30th at midnight to respond to 2 classmates. And as in the past, you would need to make sure that you're not just giving your opinion, although very valuable, that you also are supporting those posts and responses with course content. I am going to be introducing an assignment that will be due at the end of week 15, so I'm asking for you to do some lesson plan cards to support my multicultural education and activities. So that again would be due Sunday, May 7th. So we're going to go ahead and go look at the required readings. So here's chapter 7. I'm also asking for you to look at chapter 9 in Roots and Wings, and then I have several articles related to social justice and being able to support an inclusive classroom. So here we have our video about the best kindergarten you've ever seen. And then we have our discussion board, which I will have open for you when the time is appropriate, on the anti-bias multicultural education. So if you have any questions about this week's activities, please don't hesitate to contact me at troki@hancockcollege.edu. Talk to you soon.